Hey everyone, welcome back. So Diwali is around the corner and I'm just done decorating our house. In today's video I'll just walk you through how I decorated our house this Diwali. So this year is different as you all know. So we are still having lockdown and we couldn't buy anything extra and I didn't feel like buying anything extra for this Diwali. So I decorated with whatever things I had at home. Ideas are very easy and simple which you can try at home. I hope you'll get some ideas. I've also showed two very easy table settings. Even if you're not entertaining your guests, this is something you can try to dine with your family this Diwali. So I hope you enjoy the video and forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will mean a lot to me. I hope you all have a nice and prosperous Diwali. Happy Diwali!
So starting with creating beautiful centerpieces and corners. So arranging some marigold garlands and adding some candles and a beautiful centerpiece is created for the coffee table. Some flowers and candles on the side table and a very beautiful and practical arrangement is done. I don't like to clutter the coffee table because we always use that and it's pretty small. So arranging something in a tray always helps. I can then easily move it around whenever needed. For the console table on our dining area, I am trying to create a floral vignette. You can also call it floral rangoli. Adding some leaves. You can take any leaves, you can take banana leaves or whatever leaves you have. To add some height, I am using a horai base, some rose petals and candles in water. This was basically a brass container. I just used the container and its lid to create a small ulli. Also using a small wreath to create another arrangement. If you have access to fresh flowers, then definitely go for it. Or you can use different types of leaves like palm leaves or mango leaves. This is a nice way to add festivity in your home. If you don't have enough space for normal rangoli, you can create floral arrangement like this. It doesn't take much time or that many elements. You can create it very easily with different things that you have already in your home. Things I keep in mind is to add different colors, textures, heights so that they look beautiful and create a drama. So this corner is all set and how festive it looks. Creating another very small arrangement, taking a coaster, some leaves and a diya with a candle in it. This is a very portable arrangement which you can move around in your house. You can create multiple of it and style as you like. I absolutely loved it. How simple yet beautiful. Next, adding festive elements in the different corners of the house like flowers, candles, diyas. I don't like to change the entire decor whenever I am decorating for a festival. I like to keep the existing decor style and then add on festive elements here and there. For example, this bottle was already there, so added few lights inside plus a marigold garland. No major change in the puja area, it's still the same. Maybe I'll add some fresh flowers on the day of Diwali. I get a lot of questions about our puja area. This is again something I DIY'd. We'll share a separate video soon. So this is how the living area looks right now. As you can see, small elements, but it still look really festive. Added few fairy lights here and there. Some are battery operated, some are plugged in based on where I'm adding. For example, this is again battery operated because it's more convenient. But I would suggest to go for the plugged in ones always because the battery operated ones go bad really fast. If you have watched my recent living room tour, you may have observed that I've changed the cushion covers. I keep on changing the cushion covers based on the seasons, so this time I changed it to red. I feel it's more festive and it also matches my table setting that I did this year, which you'll see shortly. As it connects to the dining area, you can see how that area looks. More gende ka phool and you have the perfect festive look. We didn't use the radiator that you see here, that's why I am able to add the lights there. So be careful whenever you are adding lights in your house. These are also LED lights, so they don't heat up much, but there are certain lights which do heat up, so do consider that before styling. Also did a little tea setup. Tea is an integral part of Indian festivals, so of course chai to banta hi hai. These are my daily used cups, but I don't keep them out. I've just kept them out for the festival, and so they also serve as a decor. So decor can be practical at the same time budget friendly. I had this unused jar in the pantry, added some fairy lights in it, and it looked magical. Isn't this pretty? And it just took me 2 minutes to assemble. And here is a Dhuedar view from the kitchen. Moving on to the dining area, and this is how I set the table this year. Another view from the kitchen, and it already looks so very festive. It's not even Diwali yet, but I can already feel the positivity. Moving on to the table setting. This is one of my favorite things to do. As much as I love decorating house, I absolutely enjoy setting up a table. I will give you 2 ideas this time to set up a table. The first one I named Glam and Chic. Kept the arrangement very simple. A white basic plate and then a pop of color. You can play around with different patterns or colors, whatever you have. Also keeping some dry fruits on the table. This will also serve as a decor purpose. You can also keep sweets, namkeens, whatever you have. I like to keep the decor of the dining table very practical. Otherwise it's all cluttered and you can't really serve food over there. And this is the complete look. I have used an off-white and golden runner, a simple centerpiece, and it looks beautiful and festive. The I'll try to add in the description the links of the things that I've used in this video. You can check it out. You can also mention in the comment if you want to know the source of anything in particular. So this was my first tablescape idea. Moving on to the second. This one I named Modern Ethnic for the obvious reasons. I have used the same white plates and kasha. I make this arrangement very often and this is perfect for festivals or any other occasions. Making a simple centerpiece with some flowers and a salt container. perfect blend of classy and traditional, yet with a modern touch. Using a similar urli that I made earlier, but this time for the dining table. And this is how it looked. I made it for a lunch and it's still my absolute favorite. Let me know in the comments which one you guys liked the most. Of course, you can play around with different colors, textures, patterns. This is just to give you an idea. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have done, please like the video and let me know in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel. This is absolutely free and will mean a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at beingdev official. Until next time, bye bye. Happy Diwali.